Alright, it says to solve the inequality and give the solution set in both integral and graph forms. So here is your inequality. I'm going to write it down here so I have more space. Negative 2 is less than x minus 2 less than or equal to 6. Talked about in class that you solve from the middle, so in order to solve for x, we would be adding 2. So we're going to add 2 to the right and add 2 to the left. That gives us 0. It's less than x, less than or equal to 8. So the symbols don't change directions unless you divide or multiply by a negative. So our interval is between 0 and 8. 0 has no line underneath it, so that corresponds to a parentheses with 0. 8 has a line underneath, so that corresponds with a bracket. The parentheses is an open circle, and the bracket is a closed circle, which we don't see as much, but it looks like they use those symbols on this example. So we're now between 0 and 8. 0 gets parentheses, 8 gets bracket. And I don't think that's a good picture. You can see the 0 here with the open circle, and the 8, that kind of looks like a 10, but I think that's a negative 1. And then an 8. So you'll draw this yourself on the test. And so if you're going to draw it yourself, you just draw yourself a little number line. That'll already be on there for you. All I care about is kind of marking where 0 is. 8 is somewhere over here. And on your test, you're just going to put a parentheses at 0, a bracket at 8, x is between them. So just like we did in class.